السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. وايد السلام أخيارتي إن شاء الله ولا ليالو إن بدن واي وجيدين إن كهل تري الرمها depression كا mental illness كا يوتيوب كي وحبنا وقصوا علي دت كاس ماشي كورسارن أو جيدان وحي كهلايان دت يكمد ولا لذود إن أودنتين suicide أودنتين أما إزدلين إن قف مسلم أو صومالي أو فيو مسكحدي عادي تمام تهاي ما إزدلو بدنا وقف حوجه مسكحدي دقاقدي isku buuq iyo isla hadal iyo depression uu ku yimi in sha Allah mental illness iyo depression in laga hadlo runtii muhiim waaye bala isla dhageysano.
She knew and loved would later die by suicide in 2009. She and 3 others from the Somali community who lost relatives to suicide share their stories to raise awareness about mental health needs and shed the culture's stigma against mental illness. In the meantime, the 4 Somali community members whose lives were altered by suicide say they want their stories to help start a community-wide discussion about the issue. They hope their loss can help inform others about warning signs.
I feel like if we talk about it more, you would be able to see how that person is feeling. Like, you'd be able to see more signs, and I feel like we can get in front of it.
Some organizations have already been taking the steps to help with workshops and roundtable discussions, but they say more resources are needed. Taryn Mento, KPBS News. That brother that she knew and